In the heart of Kathmandu, Boudhanath Stupa beckons seekers of peace and clarity. Here, the air is infused with the sweet aroma of incense, pilgrims offering their prayers while colorful prayer flags dance in harmony and carrying prayers skywards, whispering messages of hope and compassion. The gentle hum of prayer wheels turning echoes through the ancient streets, guiding the mind towards tranquility and spiritual clarity. Boudhanath Stupa, where the mind and the soul converges to offer solace to the soul and clarity to the mind.